So here's our little project we're doing. We want to get some more chickens. We want to get some chicks, baby chicks this year to add to our chickens. But the problem is if we get little baby chicks, our full-grown chickens will most likely pick on them, maybe even kill them, okay? Unless we can convince one of our chickens that the chicks are hers. So here's the plan. We've been doing some research, and if we can get one of our chickens to go broody, meaning they're sitting on eggs to hatch them, they go broody for 21 days. The whole time they'll sit on the eggs. They won't eat, they won't drink or anything. It's just something chickens do. Kind of crazy, but they do it. And then they wait for the eggs to hatch, okay? Well, we don't have any roosters. So here's our plan. Once our chicken goes broody, we're going to let her be broody and sit on some pretend eggs, some fake eggs, for a couple of weeks. And then at nighttime, when chickens are asleep and they have really bad eyesight at night, we're going to have some chicks that are less than 3 days old, and we're going to stick them underneath her, and hopefully she wakes up in the morning and thinks she hatched some chickens, and then she'll think they're hers. Now, it's cold out here, so I'm going to be quick. Anyhow, it's not foolproof, but this is the way that has the best odds of having a chicken or a hen adopt chicks or think that they're hers. So let me show you. This is how we're going to get her to go broody. Let me flip the camera around. So today, in the coop, these are fake eggs. So they are ceramic, which is why I marked them so we don't accidentally mistake them for real ones. We've got our fake eggs in there. Now, in the nest, what will happen is, here, I'll flip the camera around again. Okay, I'm going in because it's cold out here. What'll happen is at springtime right now, this time of year, when chickens see a collection of eggs, it'll kick into their instincts and they'll go broody. They see the eggs gathered there and they'll want to sit on them. So that's our plan. We have one of our hens has started laying again. And she tends to be the most mothering of all the hens as well. So we're hoping that these fake eggs will encourage her to go broody and sit on the fake eggs. And then once she does for a week or two, we'll at nighttime sneak some chicks underneath her. Fingers crossed. So that's our plan. It's sneaky, and like I said, it's not foolproof, but that has the best odds. There's still a chance that she might kill them or pick on them or whatever, but the best chances of having her think they're hers is doing this. So pretty excited. So we'll keep you posted on the progress and how things turn out and happen.